Well, hi everyone, I'm Corinna Bench from Shared Legacy Farms. Welcome back to day number 4 of the Do-It-Yourself Microgreens Home Grow Kit. So we've put our seeds through the blackout period, and I want to just show you, in a matter of like 24 hours, the seeds have really started to come and sprout. I might even have been able to take these out of the blackout period yesterday, late yesterday, but it's the next morning, and just look at how these guys are now sprouting. We've got our peas are showing little growths on the top. We've got our radishes, our arugula, and our mild and wild mix. They are definitely sprouting. This one didn't germinate quite as well, but it's all sprouting, and a lot of them are pretty tall. So at this point, we're gonna take this cover off, okay? We're gonna unstack them, and we're gonna put them in the sun. We're gonna find a nice sunny windowsill, the sunniest place in your house, and you're gonna put them right there in front of that windowsill, and we're gonna give them a nice little watering if they need it. So I'm gonna just do a little bit. These are kind of still a little bit damp, but I'm gonna put a little bit of water in them. And you might wanna just check on them a couple times a day, make sure that they don't need water. So you might have to water them once or twice a day. Put them on a cookie sheet or a plate or something like this so that when the water comes out, it doesn't get all over your windowsill. All right, and now that's it. We're gonna leave them in the windowsill for another, I don't know, 3 to 4 days. And then they'll be ready to harvest. So they do look kind of yellow. You might be wondering, ugh, is there something wrong with them? No, that's totally normal. They're yellow because they haven't had a chance to green up. There's been no sun, there's been no exposure to light. So now that there's exposure to light, those little chlorophylls in those plant cells are gonna start going crazy, and we're gonna see this stuff green up in a few days. Okay, so I'll be back when it's time to harvest, and I can't wait to see what yours look like.